Hi, I'm Anita. Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a product review on a tool kit. It's a jewelry making supply kit. I received an email from a store representative by the name of Ayden Wong with Montvict is the name of the store, M-O-N-V-I-C-T, and this person asked me if I would do a review on a jewelry making toolkit. So they sent me the package, and I received this a couple of weeks ago. And just by looking at the description, this came from, I got this through Amazon, and as you can see the price is only $33.99, and you get all kinds of goodies in here. So I'm going to be opening this for the first time and giving you a product review. That way if you like what you see, you can order one for yourself. At the bottom of the video will be a description box. If you click more in that, it will expand and it will give you the link to this particular jewelry supply making kit as to where you could purchase one. And just remember, there are a lot of other kits that look like this. So you want to go with the one that has the storefront called Montvict, M-O-N-V-I-C-T. So it may be a couple of pages down through the Amazon scrolling. Okay, so here we go. Let's see what's in here. So first of all, I'm going to pull each of these items out. See what this is. Goodness, this is a helping hand magnifier. We'll take that out in just a moment. The other thing that we have in here that I was not expecting, oh my goodness, look at that. All kinds of jewelry findings, all sizes of different O-rings in both the gold and the silver. There's also earring findings in here, so let me set this aside. We'll go through that. And then here is the tool kit. So let me go through each item and give you the description as to what it does and what it's for, and I'll be right back. So the first item here that really caught my eye, it's a magnifying glass. This is great for all kinds of hobbies besides just jewelry making. Let me open this up. And it has a little stand here, and you just have to tighten these up, it looks like. And it has a couple of clamps. Set this down, and here's the magnifying glass. Ooh, that's pretty strong. This is great for working with really small things. If you don't have the glasses, you know, extra power reading glasses, this magnifying set would really do the trick. So hold on and let me get this assembled, and we'll see what it looks like set up. I'll be right back. So here is the magnifying device that you get with this tool kit. Very interesting, because you can use this with other hobbies other than just jewelry making. It has all kinds of two little clamps here that you can adjust, and you just rotate, loosen the nuts on this, and adjust it to the angle that you need. Same goes with the magnifier. You can adjust the angle on this as well. So it seems like a really heavy-duty piece of equipment. The only thing that I wasn't too wild about, being honest here, there's no instructions really on how to put this together. It's kind of assembled and loose, but it's not hard to figure out. There's just butterfly nuts, and you're just putting this little ball tips in between the little flat flanges here, and then you tighten the butterfly to make the adjustments. But it's a pretty simple thing to figure out. Works really nice. So this would be great for jewelry making, along with a bunch of other things that you could use this for. Great little added bonus with this jewelry making kit. So let me get the next item and we'll see what that one does. So this is another bonus item that you get with the jewelry making kit by Montvict. Great little container to store all these findings in, and the findings are included as well. So let's open this up and see everything that's in here. What a great deal. Goodness. So if you're a beginner beader, jewelry maker, this has everything that you would need to make a pair of earrings or a necklace. You've got lobster clasps, earring hooks, and you have screw eye pins. That's pretty cool. It looks like you also have, I'm guessing that these are little crimp beads. They look like crimp beads. You're also getting ribbon end cords and cord ends. These here, these are like for fastening the end of a ribbon. Very nice. And you're getting all of these in both silver and gold tones. And this would be like a cord end, a leather cord end to make a necklace or bracelet. They're even supplying you with head pins. It looks like that's about an inch head pin in both gold and silver. Same thing with the lobster clasp. And you're also getting all of these O-rings in both gold and silver. So all of the sizes here listed are, you got 4 millimeter, 5 millimeter, 6 millimeter, and 8 millimeter. Isn't that awesome? That's a great deal. Also, you have these little earring back rubber stoppers for your earring hooks. So that's a nice little extra thing to get. Wow, I'm really impressed to get all of that with this kit. So now let's go on to the actual toolkit itself, and let me get those items. I'll be right back. Okay, so here is the actual toolkit, and I will say that they do package their product very nicely. And it didn't take long to get this. So this is a very compact toolkit with a zipper. It has a very nice little carrying handle here if you want to, go, if you're on the go at a craft fair and you can carry your tools around. That's a great little thing to hold on to there to carry your tools with you. So let's open this up and let's see what's in here. Oh my goodness. There's more jewelry findings in here. I was not expecting that. That's really nice. They've got chain. Goodness. You've got necklace chain. I'm going to say that's about 1 millimeter size. And you've got 2 spools here. I'm guessing you're probably getting a yard each on these. Very generous amount. You're also getting it in silver, the exact same size for chain. Wow, you have everything here you need to make jewelry. This is great. They're also supplied with some leather cord as well in black. Very nice. Oh my goodness, and look what else is in here. We have copper wire, and that's a gold-plated copper wire, and this is silver-plated copper wire. And then they have the elastic cord. This is a size 1.0. And the copper wire is 0.4 millimeter for both of these. That's very nice. And it looks like it's tarnish free because they're saying it's fadeless. So 3 spools. One moment. 3 spools. I'm not sure exactly how much is in here, but I'm sure it's a pretty generous amount. So let's set this aside. Wow. Lots of stuff in here. Let's see what else is in here. You get a tape measure, a pair of scissors. Very nice. You also get now these are needle threaders, and they're giving you 3 of them. Wow. You know, when you have trouble threading a needle, you pop this in between the eye and then put your thread through and pull the thread out. for those of you that have trouble threading needles, this is really handy to have. Very, very nice that they included that. Really nice tool kit here. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, this is a bead reaming tool, an awl. It's called a jewelry awl, and that's for, you know, making your holes. If you have any beads that have a blocked hole, this is a great little tool to have, and that is a bead reaming awl. Set that aside. They're also supplying you with a nice pair of tweezers for picking up little things. Very, very helpful. And let's see what else is in here. Now this is for opening jump rings. You put your O-ring and twist, and that saves a little bit of your fingers. If you don't want to use your hand tools, you can certainly do that. And I'm not sure what this is. Let me see if I can see that on the list. Okay, I just figured out what this is. This is a thimble. That's a different kind of thimble I have not seen. You just pop that on your finger and you're pushing the needle with this. That's a very clever little thing to include, a thimble. So also, speaking of thimbles, they're supplying you with the needles as well. That's what's in this little slender case here. Oh my goodness, you've got several sizes of needles in here. Look at that. Wow. And these are really long too. Look at that. That's really nice. Quite a few needles in here. Let's see if I can get that back on. Wow, I'm impressed. And it's in its own little case, so you're not poking yourself. Very nice. They're also including, oh, here's another pair of tweezers. So you're getting two pairs of tweezers, a bent nose tweezer and a straight nose tweezer. And you're also getting 3 pairs of pliers. Let's see what each one is. This is the round nose, very nice. And you're also getting a pair of wire cutters. Oh, and these are flush cutters too. They have the angle and a very nice heavy-duty pair here. These are not flimsy cutters, so it looks like they really give you a good quality items in this kit. Wow, I am so impressed. So this last tool here, pull this out. This is a flat nose plier. Wow, good quality, and it's got a nice rubber handle for good grip so your hands don't slip when you're using these. Oh, super nice. So let me get this all laid out. What a fantastic tool set is what I have to say. This is great. And you also get a tape measure. Very nice. And the tape measure is in centimeters and in inches, which that's very helpful because sometimes you'll have patterns that are in centimeters. So this has both metric systems on the tape measure here. One more thing here, I forgot to pull this out. This is a caliper. It's a caliper tool for measuring beads. So if you don't have a digital one, like I've got a digital one, but if you don't want to spend that kind of money to get a digital one, this is a manual caliper. And it works the very same way, except you're doing it just as a manual readout. So if you wanted to see how many millimeters this bead is, you just slide this open like this. You just slide this a little bit, put your bead in there, push that together, and that will tell you. So this is approximately 9 millimeters is the size of this bead. Very nice. So let's look at a smaller bead here. This is a rondelle. Let's measure this one. You just open that up, put your rondelle in there, squeeze, and that is correct. 1, 2, 3 millimeter rondelle. Oh, very accurate for measuring the diameter of your beads. So this is a nice little tool to have for a beginner. So there you have it, the tool kit for jewelry making by Montvict. And like I said, at the beginning of this video, you can get this on Amazon. I am including the link so it'll take you directly to the Montvict store if you're interested in purchasing this kit. So hold on, let me get everything arranged and I'll be right back. Okay, so this wraps it up for my product review on the Montvict Jewelry Making Toolkit. I want to say thank you to Ayden Wong for reaching out to me to ask me to do a demonstration on this product revealing here. Very nice. It is great little beginner toolkit to have, and it's got everything in here you would need, not to mention the tools themselves, but you've got all of these wonderful variety of findings, jewelry chain, and wire, and you can just have a blast with this. So I want to thank everyone for watching today, and if you would give me a thumbs up and please comment, I'd be happy to hear from you. Also, look for the link on where you can purchase one for yourself. I'll have the link in my website in the description box if you click more. There's also a link to my website. I also sell jewelry that I make, and I'll definitely be using these tools and these findings. And aside from all of the tools you're getting, the findings, the jewelry chain, the wire, the cord, you're also getting this really nifty little magnifying device here. So, wow, you couldn't ask for a better deal. So if you're not a subscriber to my channel, I hope that you do subscribe. Give me a thumbs up and feel free to leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you. And also, there will be a link in the bottom of the description box on where you can purchase one of these kits. Like I said, it's a great deal. You want to make sure that you're selecting the one for Montvict store. The price is $33.99. It's a great deal. And they're pretty quick with the delivery of this. It didn't take very long to get. So there will be a link to this particular supplier in the description box. And also, I sell my own jewelry, so you'll see a link to that if you want to see some of the stuff that I've made. And I'll definitely be using this to make some of my future items as well. So I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and I want to thank you for watching. If you're not a subscriber yet, please subscribe. That'd be great. So thanks again for joining me today. Have a wonderful week, and happy beading, everyone.